You've probably heard my name before. Cain. People say I was the first to take a life. That part is true, but it didn't start there. I was a farmer. My hands were always in the dirt. My brother Abel raised animals, quiet, gentle things. We both brought offerings to God. I gave from the land. He gave from the flock. God accepted Abel's offering. Mine, he didn't. I didn't hear a voice. I didn't see fire from the sky. But I felt it. That sting, that silence. It crawled under my skin and settled in my chest. I spoke less, watched more, and then one day I asked Abel to walk with me. Just us, out to the field. I let my anger speak, and it spoke loud. When the moment passed, he was gone, and I couldn't take it back. Jealousy doesn't knock, it makes itself at home. If you don't name it, it starts naming your choices. God asked me, "Where is your brother?" And I lied, but I knew. I knew every inch of that field. I wear the weight of that day like a shadow. If something rises up in you, talk to God before it talks through you. I wish I had.